Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. We have tons of cleaning motivation today. I wanted to kind of change up some things in a couple spaces in my house, and then we are going to be decorating my bedroom with Christmas decorations. So I hope you're ready. We're gonna go ahead and just dive right in. So we are going to start with going ahead and putting some of these flock trees around the house. I like to put one right here down the hallway. I don't decorate a lot in this space because I don't have like an entryway table or anything in there, so I can only put a few things in there. And then I just went ahead and fluffed it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and store some of those pillows that were my non-seasonal pillows and my fall decor into this storage bag. This video is actually filmed right after the other video. If you haven't seen it, is my first Christmas Decorate With Me video where I decorated the whole downstairs, like the kitchen and living room and dining room area. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure to have it linked down below. Definitely go and check that out. So today I'm going to be using my carpet cleaner, but I'm using this tool that it came with to clean out the roller brush. There was tons of dog hair, just like globs of it, and I will show you everything that I got out of it in a second. So now that we went ahead and got that cleaned out, I'm going to shampoo my carpet. This is the carpet that I was supposed to be moving upstairs in the loft, but I did try and put the big one down. I'm going to show you guys in a second. You can let me know your opinion, but me and my husband both were like, that other rug that I put in there is just too big for this space. But you guys can let me know your opinions. Okay, so this is the bigger rug, and we both felt that it just did not go in here. I don't know. You guys can definitely share your opinions and your thoughts. I feel like if I had a rug that was in between this size and then the other one, the smaller one, then it would fit perfect. But we did decide to just go ahead and roll this one up, put it away for now, put back the original rug, and then just figure out what we're going to do with this later. When it seems like you have lost control. So now we're going to go ahead and take these donations down to my trunk. My husband went through his drawers and the closet and decluttered a ton of his clothes. So I am super proud of him for minimizing stuff that he doesn't even wear anymore. So we have more space in the closet for things that we are currently wearing and enjoying. Get back up and make amends. Gotta let me try. All I need is another chance. This time will be different. Gotta let me try. Leave the skyline, heading back to old times. Light the pipe up to feel like I'm doing fine. Chase the space with whatever I'm chasing. Anything to leave my head where the mistakes feel like a blessing. And my mind is clear of the mess I'm in. Chase the space with whatever I'm chasing. Anything to leave my head.
to ground again. How do you get up when your body's saying no? We've broken all that you have left.
So all of the messes that you guys are seeing is from my previous video when I did all that decorating, and there's just like a huge aftermath of mess. It's kind of the behind the scenes when you are pulling out bins from the garage and undecorating and decorating, and you guys know. So I had a lot of that to put away and pick up today. And now we are in my bedroom. We're going to do a quick clean in here. We're going to go ahead and take down all the fall decor. Before we continue, I do want to mention today I did team up with Thrive Market, which I'm super excited about. Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store, and they are on a mission to make healthy living easy, and they have guaranteed savings. You guys, organic groceries are expensive, so Thrive Market can help you cut your grocery bill by 30%. You can shop for thousands of the best-selling organic foods and natural products below traditional retail prices. So they have an amazing selection of organic groceries, snacks, supplements, eco-friendly cleaning supplies, non-toxic beauty items, personal care items, organic kid products, wine, meat, seafood, you name it. So for every paid annual membership, Thrive Market donates a free membership to someone in need and makes it possible for low-income families, teachers, veterans to access natural and organic foods and products easily. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all of the items that I picked up this time. And it is a variety. We have some skincare, beauty type stuff, and then dog treats and snacks for the family. And a lot of the items are natural, healthy, and organic. So I know you guys know I always pick up Harvest Snaps if you watch my grocery haul. So I had to get a couple of bags of those. And then also I wanted to try these out. They were gluten-free and they were really, really good. We all enjoyed the grain-free tortilla chips. They have tons of snacks like that are healthier and made with healthier ingredients. And then I also got Remy some snacks, which also has very healthy ingredients. And I picked up some of these chomps. These are like beef jerky, beef sticks, and we all love those. They were really good to have on the go. And again, they're made with clean ingredients. I also got some facial toner, which you guys know you can get Witch Hazel facial toner from a lot of places, but it's nice that you can get them from Thrive Market along with all of these other things. And then this is an eye cream that I just started using. I will let you guys know how I am liking it. And this is another big one. I got this lip scrub, but you can actually eat the lip scrub. You can literally lick it off your lips. That's how clean it is. So last but not least, I went ahead and picked up Ava some natural ingredients chapstick. I'm very happy with the products that I got, and I'm really excited to order more from Thrive Market. If you do want to check them out, I will have the link down below in my description, and that gets you 30% off your first order and a free gift worth up to $60, which I think is amazing. So thank you, Thrive Market, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now we're going to dive back into getting my room cleaned up so we can start decorating, and then you guys can see how everything turned out. So this is a few hours later, and we are going to start decorating. The first thing I wanted to do is remove this chair. We're finally letting go of it. So I'm going to go ahead and move that out. So I did go ahead and move the mirror here for a minute just to see how it would look, but I went ahead and moved it back because the windows are just too close together, so it's like lying on the curtains, but I wish I could fit it in that corner. So now we're gonna go ahead and change out the sheets to our cozy flannel holiday sheet. So right here I was trying to decide on the colors of the throw pillows I wanted to use because obviously the flannel sheets don't match the red decor that I am decorating with, but they're so cozy. So we're not going to be picky. We want cozy vibes with some holiday vibes. So I went ahead and just kept it simple, kept my regular big throw pillows on there, and then just added this lumbar Christmas one. Also for the mirror, if you are new to my channel, I do not usually leave all those smudges on my mirror, but I wanted to get the decorating done because the sun was setting and I wanted to get some good shots in here before it got too dark. So I just used my multi-surface cleaner and cleaned it the best I could. But that is not typically how I leave my mirrors.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky, I found my way.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you got some cleaning motivation and enjoyed the decorating part. Don't forget to check out Thrive Market. I will have that discount down below, and you can also claim that extra gift that they give you that's up to a $60 value. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.
I found my